Hi, Joe Stowell here. Thanks for clicking your way to Daily Strength. Let's talk about the secret places in our lives. My New Year's resolution that I've already managed to keep was to clean out the 2 storage rooms in our basement. We moved into our house 3 years ago, and whenever the movers didn't know where to put something, we sent them to the storage rooms. Since then, a similar fate has been assigned to the stuff we continue to accumulate and don't know what to do with. I have to tell you that my resolutions seem like a daunting task, but I also have to say that it's great to have it already done. I go down there a lot just to revel in the victory. While I was cleaning, throwing away, sorting, and organizing, I thought about my heart. I thought about the secret places in my life that no one sees. The storage rooms, where stuff that should be discarded stacks up. And here is what became clear to me. Who I really am is not determined by the public parts of my life that are open to public view. In our house, we do a pretty good job of keeping them in good order. The real commentary on what kind of a person I am is the condition of the storage rooms. If they are cluttered with unwanted, bad, and unnecessary things, then it says something about me. It says I'm too busy, or too lazy, or undisciplined, or just apathetic. Or it says that I really don't mind a lot of junk behind closed doors. It might even say that I like the junk in the storage rooms. It's like that in life. Who I really am is a lot about the condition of the secret places of my heart. When I was done, my male need for affirmation was totally out of control. I wanted Marty to come down and immediately see how clean and organized it all was. I even told my son that he had to stop by and see it. Which made me wonder if the true test of the secret places being in good order might just be whether or not you'd like someone to open the door and see how it looks. As the wise Proverbs says, above all else, guard your heart, for from it flows the wellspring of life.